gonna be reviewing Felipe's cookies from Felipe's Creations. First, start off with this one is Lucky Charms cookie. It looks so good. So let's take a bite. Everything blends in smoothly, so I'll give this cookie you could taste the white chocolate chip, but it's not as powerfully, not as strong as you would think. So I'll give this a Ready Set Snickers. It has little pieces of Snickers in it. I'll give this cookie a 9.5 because I'll give it a half of a point off because I don't like peanut butter, but this cookie is it gives me the nutty butter cookie fire delight. This one looks so fucking good. This has a unique taste to it, and I can't pinpoint it. But I'll give that cookie a 6. Hooray! A Hershey cookie. If you don't like chocolate, that's a cookie for you. I'll give that a 10 out of 10. The Fruitylicious. I love this thing. The Fruity Pebble cookie. A 7.5. Last but not least is the Grandma's Cookie Oatmeal Raisin Cookie. Oh, it smells so good. I love raisins. If you order from him, make sure to get a couple of these oatmeal cookies.